It's starting summer now in Australia, and I don't know how. I managed to get cold, and I haven't been able to train for the last couple of days, which is mentally so hard when you're used to putting so much effort for your trainings to prepare for the race. All the trainings I would be doing now would be just like to prepare for the race, to practice race pace, and not necessary to improve my fitness, because you can't really improve with 2 weeks anymore anyway. All the hard work has been done. So yeah. And this weekend is Karl's birthday. I'll be doing a cheesecake for him later. I'm probably just resting for a couple of more days. I've been sitting inside for too long, and I'm not used to just sitting doing nothing. I can't train. All my schoolwork is basically finished, so I have nothing to do, and it's making me crazy. Let's pretend that cheesecake wasn't burnt from the top, and actually I just accidentally turned it on 225 degrees and it had to be 175. I'm gonna top it off with chocolate anyway. Happy Monday, guys! I feel already so much better. So, yesterday I did open water swim. I didn't take you with me, I'm sorry. I did take some pictures. I'll show you later, but it was just the calmest weather ever. I have never in 6 years seen the water to be so calm. It was just perfect conditions, and I managed to do 1,800 meters, and I'm so freaking proud, because like for me open water swimming is so hard. I went to a different place this time. They actually have like a shark net over there, and the water was so clear. Incredible experience, honestly. Blue water, calm weather. Anyway, now yesterday I did 1,800 meters, and it was not planned. I just felt like I need to do something because I haven't trained for quite a few days. And I also did like a 5 kilometers run after that, because just running is something for my heart, something for the mind. And my coach had a swim planned for today, so I'm just a little bit worried because my shoulders are not too strong. If I start feeling a bit like fatigue or any pain, I'll just stop. But yeah, let's do the swim. Swim is done, we are back home, and I'm just having some snack and a nice cup of coffee. And now I need to get back on track with my school stuff. Good morning, guys. Today we have a bike ride on the trainer and I'm just trialing out a new breakfast. You know, I usually have like eggs and toast and quite a large breakfast. But if I do it before hard trainings, it makes me feel sick. So I also need to find some good breakfast for my race. And currently I'm just having like granola, chocolate, almond milk, and some banana, and coffee. And then, yeah, we'll hop on the trainer. I have to do like a long baseline test or something. Basically like FTP test, but just a bit longer one. That's done. I did 50 minutes warm up, 20 minutes, 151 beats per minute like goal. I just had to hold it for 20 minutes, then 5 minutes recovery, and then 20 minutes more of holding on 151 beats per minute. So that's a little bit more than my zone 2. I'm not exactly sure like how do you calculate the FTP from that. I'm not too sure. I don't know. My coach will do it. And yeah, I'm just getting ready for school. And that's my post-workout snack. Is this high protein chocolate pudding with rice cakes. Or actually, I think these are corn. Yeah, with corn cakes. These are my favorite. I could eat them all day, every day. So I just put that chocolate on top here. And that's it. I don't know what happened with the weather. It's raining. Every time I put on a dress, it starts raining. And yeah, so I just came back from school and I'm gonna start doing some meal prep. Some chicken, rice, coconut milk, and some frozen vegetables. What the hell? Recently, I have found a really good trick. I put a whole can of this coconut cream in my rice after it's boiled. With water. And then I mix it together. So then it doesn't go dry and it's nice and moist. And then I add my vegetables. This will make me almost 4 days of lunch and dinner. So I use like 1,000 300 grams of chicken, 600 grams of rice, coconut milk, a little bit of vegetables. That's it. Really basic, simple, and that's how I like it. Good morning, guys. So today I have a 9 kilometers of run, 3 kilometers warm up, 5 kilometers at 85% of my maximum heart rate. So it says 162 here. And then just 1 kilometer of cool down. It shouldn't be too bad. I've done that before, and it's just that I need to hold it exactly at 162. Consistent heart rate for 5 kilometers. That's the only hard part of it. I have 3 kilometers left of running at 85% of my maximum heart rate, and I'm sitting at 163 right now. It's a bit hard, like I try to be as still as possible. By still, I mean like every step is exactly the same speed like last one. Not too fast, not too slow. 168, too fast. That's why I don't bring camera with me. I can't talk when I run. 167, shit. I need to slow down. Now there's hill coming, so I'll turn around before it, otherwise I mess up my heart rate again. 163. It's not too hard to hold. Like the pace is not too hard for me right now. I'm going uphill now. Oh, that was good. Uphill and 163. I'm also using my watch heart rate, not strap, because it broke and it's probably not as accurate as my heart strap. Now it's nice and flat from here. I'll see you back home. Alright, so the baseline test is done, and I just looked up my previous one. I have done it 3 times altogether in this training block. So 28th of August, my 5K average on the same heart rate was 517. 24 October is 5K average 445. So I improved pretty well over there. And now today 5 kilometers average was 458. So worse than last time. And I think it's because I was sick and I still haven't recovered properly. So my sleep stats are still off. Like my heart rate variability is low and my resting heart rate is fairly high, so I'm probably just not recovered properly yet, and that's why my baseline test is actually worse than it was last time. But that's how life is, I guess. Hopefully I still have 11 days until my race. Oh my god, it's so close. But I think I should be fine 11 days. I'll end this video here. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye!